हेलो। 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 हेलो।
Hello.
हेलो दिव्या मैम।
Hi, how are you?
आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट। आई होप यू आर हेलन हार्टी।
I've had a good day. Thank you so much. Can you tell me your name, please?
Yeah, I am. My name Mr. Daya from Chhattisgarh. What about you?
Okay, my name is Divya. I'm basically from Delhi
Okay.
and actually optional.
Yeah, sorry Divya ma'am.
I'm a marketing professional. I
Oh,
work in marketing.
great, great, great. Actually, I am working in education sector. I am a assistant teacher.
Oh, wow. Where do you work?
Yeah, actually, I am working in Chhattisgarh.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Where? Raipur?
No, but it's Raipur. It's nearby at my home, around 250 kilometers.
Okay. Very nice. So, how
Uh,
is the COVID situation in Chhattisgarh?
yeah, now at this moment, COVID situation has been under control, and all schools and colleges has been opened, and we are going to school
Oh,
every day. Yes, yes.
oh, wow. You're going to school every day, but is it safe to go to school every day?
Yeah, actually, our government has decided for some restriction, and we all are following such type of restriction. Those, yeah, yeah.
Okay. And I hope you are vaccinated.
Yes, yes. I have vaccinated.
Okay, lovely. Very nice. So it must be a long break after which you must have gone to school, which is, I think they were mostly, I don't know about Chhattisgarh, but mostly people are still having online classes, like in Delhi and all, people are still having
Y-
classes online.
yes, yes, yes. We actually we all are going to conducting online classes as well in our Chhattisgarh.
Okay. So how do you find this online thing? Does it help students? Does it not help students?
Yeah, actually, yesterday I watched on YouTube, and I find that and suddenly I joined.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So why do you want to join Clippingo?
Yeah, actually, how do we improve our communication skill? Please, you have some good knowledge, so please share so that I can improve.
Okay, so first I'll tell you that how Clippingo works so that you have an idea. So what did you see? Did you see some videos on YouTube? What did you see in those videos?
Actually, not very much, but I have seen some videos.
Okay. So I'll just tell you briefly how it works.
Okay,
So in Clippingo, we basically work on your spoken English, all right?
okay, okay.
So we don't do too much of theory over here, or we're not going to be studying grammar or anything, all
Hmm.
right?
Okay, okay,
We will work on polishing your spoken English.
okay, okay.
Okay, so what happens is mostly whether it is you, whether it is me, on mostly all of us, we have English as a second language. Okay, so we
Okay,
already have another native language in which we are very comfortable talking. So with our friends and family, we prefer to talk in a native language.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
so what happens is we all understand, we can read, you can read in English, you can write in English, but in once it comes to speaking, we all have a hesitation because
Yes,
we are not very fluent in language.
yes.
All right.
Yeah, actually, Divya ma'am, I want to become a fluent English speaker, and I want to become a public speaker in English language.
Okay, so tell me, why do you feel your communication skills are not good?
Yes.
What is what is the rationale? What do you think is the reason that your skills are not good? What according to you?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, when I go to outside and try to speak with front of people, so sometime I feel hesitate, and sometime I feel how do we handle everything with people, and how do we deliver everything with people. So that time I don't have anything in my mind. So it is the main reason in my it is one of the problem.
Okay, so it is basically because you hesitate speaking in English, because you know, when you're speaking with someone, you feel that, you know, whether I'm going to speak the right thing or whether I'm going to speak the wrong thing. If I speak something wrong, what will the other person think? So you waste so much of time thinking that you are not able to speak fluently. That's what happens with most of us.
Okay.
All right. So what happens is, so it's also a part of our, you know, education system. We don't really give work too much on the practicality of the language.
Okay.
We just learn and, you know, do it, but we don't go into the practical aspects. Here we try to make it a practical learning experience.
Okay.
So what we do in every class, you will get a pre-session document. Okay.
Yes.
So in every document, you will have a topic of discussion for every class.
Okay.
So these are very general topics, like you travel, what are your, you know, or there'll be some situations. So what you can do is, and there'll be points which will be given in the document itself.
Okay.
What is going to be discussed in the class. You can prepare for those points.
Okay.
See, when you're going to be prepared with the point, you want to write, you can write, you want to think. So you will not waste too much of time thinking when you are having a discussion with the speaker.
Okay. Yeah.
So what happens is, mostly is that when you go and speak with somebody, then you are firstly thinking is like, am I speaking the right thing? Am I speaking the wrong thing? Then you start hesitating. Then even if you're speaking the right thing, you know, you are not very confident of what you're speaking. And then, you know, you are somewhere the whole thing is lost. Here you will prepare for yourself, and, you know, when you will have points in your mind, you will be able to have a proper discussion with the speaker.
Yes.
Okay, as you will be speaking with the speaker will keep correcting you.
Okay, great.
Okay, so wherever you're going wrong, the speaker will start correcting. So we work on a very practical method of learning.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we are not going to do theory. You and I both did theory in school, college, everything, but still we are not fluent.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
So that's the whole thing. And we will also work on your word power.
Okay.
So every document you will also have words which are going to be related to the topic of discussion. Since you're doing that topic, you will be able to understand those words. You can work on your vocabulary. You want to, you know, you can do an exercise after, you can try to learn those words. You can try to make sentence formation with those words. You will learn new words, because in English it is also important to have a good vocabulary.
Yes. So, ma'am, how do we enhance vocabulary very easy way? Do you have any unique topic? So please share with me so that I can understand very easy way.
So I'll just tell you, like, we will have travel. So whatever words are related to travel, or, you know, which are there, you will do those words. Okay. So then we have another topic which is you know, about a bank robbery. So whichever words which are related to that. So we will have those words. You can learn those words. You can write down, make a diary of those words. You want to do sentence formation. Because you are having a discussion about that topic, you will be able to understand those words better.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is how you will. So basically, what we feel in English speaking, it is very important for one to practice, and that is what is lacking with most of us. Okay. And we make you practice over here.
Okay.
And wherever, so here, since you are there with the speaker is not here to judge you. He's only here to correct you.
Okay.
So you speak whatever you feel like speaking. Whether you're speaking the incorrect thing, whether you're speaking the correct thing.
Okay.
And when you speak, the speaker will start correcting you.
Okay.
And slowly your hesitation will start going away once you have a few topics of discussion with the speaker.
Okay.
Your hesitation will start going away.
Okay.
Main problem with people is the hesitation.
Yes, yes.
People know everything. Even if you don't know, even if you're speaking the wrong thing, here people will correct you.
Okay.
Okay. So main thing that is lacking in most of us is we are not practicing. We don't have anybody to talk to in English.
Okay, great.
Here we are giving you someone you will speak with in English.
Okay.
Okay. And he will keep correcting you.
Okay, great, great.
The more you will practice, you will do a discussion. Since you will have a topic, you will know what I need to prepare. Even the top points are already given in the document itself.
Okay.
So that once you are prepared for the topic, you will not start thinking, oh, what do I say? Because most of the time, because we are not very confident, we start thinking like, oh, am I speaking? What do I say? What do I say? Then nothing comes to our mind. Then we start faltering. So basically, you will know what you have to speak. You have a discussion with the speaker. The speaker will keep correcting you, and slowly your hesitation will start going away.
Okay.
The main problem is the hesitation. We are not practicing. We are not speaking with anyone in English. That is the main problem.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And also with English, we need a good word power, and that's what we also work upon. This is mainly our model, and I just thought I'll explain to you. We give you these demo classes so that you have an idea of what, in case you subscribe, what kind of, sessions are going to be there. You also get an idea about the speakers. So the speaker, you would have chosen the speaker.
Yeah.
So it's a random call. So we don't have like a child is a different speaker, or it's a very flexible way. You can choose any speaker you want.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and it's very flexible even in terms of hours. So if you are like available today after 4 o'clock, you take a class at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow, if you're available at 10 o'clock, you can take a class at 10 o'clock. You want to have you want to have a different speaker every time. You can have a different speaker every time. You want to have the same speaker. So it's the flexibility is all left with the subscriber. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Divya ma'am, so how's the situation over there in New Delhi now at this moment?
New Delhi, more or less, it is under control.
Okay.
Even with the festival season, we've not heard too much of COVID or anything happening. Also, because in Delhi there is a lot of vaccination which has already been done. I think 100% population has already got the first dose, and I think around 47% has already got the second dose.
Okay.
So 47% are fully vaccinated. Like I'm also like fully vaccinated.
Great, great, great. Yeah, yeah.
So 50% of population is already fully vaccinated. So because of that, also vaccination it does make a lot of difference. I feel
Yeah.
Because yes, obviously we still have to follow all the guidelines. We have to wear a mask. We have to do all that.
Yes.
But yes, like last festival season, there was like it really because of the festival season, it really spread. But this time we are not seeing that kind, I guess, because it's mainly because of the vaccination that has happened.
Okay, great. So please give me my feedback and which type of mistake I am doing. So please give me feedback so that I can improve.
I think you need to work a little on your grammar.
Okay.
A little bit of grammatical mistakes you are making at this point of time.
Okay.
So you need to work on your grammar.
Okay.
Secondly, I think is practice is lacking. I think you are not speaking too much in English with people. Do you speak? Like, do you interact with people in English? Or so I think that platform you are not getting.
Okay.
I think the more you practice, so I think the best way of learning English is don't think what the other person is thinking.
Okay.
Just speak.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You even if it is wrong, because if you will have once that hesitation goes away, and you will see this language you cannot improve till you practice.
Okay.
This is by my own experience, I can tell you.
Okay.
Even
great.
I was not very fluent.
Great. Yeah.
Okay, so when I also started working in the corporate sector, I also realized it's very important to be fluent.
Okay.
Because otherwise you are not able to explain your ideas, and then you already, even if you're good at your work,
okay,
you have to present it properly.
Okay.
And how will you do it if your communication skills are not good?
Oh, actually, Divya ma'am, how do we remember any particular vocabs for long time?
See, try to first note them down in a diary. Make a diary for vocabulary.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then try to make sentences.
Okay, okay. Own sentences.
Own sentences. Use those words, make sentences. Another very good way is to do reading. Reading also really helps you.
Okay, okay,
Reading improves your vocabulary. It also improves your grammar.
okay,
The same way works on your language. The other very good thing is reading. The more you will read this language, the more you will improve your language.
okay, okay.
Because it's also a lot about how you are comprehending the language.
Yeah,
When you're reading, you're comprehending in your mind, okay, what is he saying?
yeah,
Otherwise, mostly what happens is that you'll start, when you're speaking with somebody, you'll start thinking, like first you'll think in English, Hindi, okay, then you will translate it into English, and that's when you lose the entire essence of the language.
okay, okay, great. Yeah,
So first thing is start thinking in whenever somebody is talking to you in English. Don't think in Hindi and then translate in English.
okay, okay.
Think only in English.
Yeah, definitely.
That's when you will be able to speak.
Definitely, I will follow, dear ma'am.
Yes. So
Yeah.
try reading. Reading is definitely going to help you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try reading do you have an English newspaper? Do you get an English newspaper at your place?
Yeah. Actually, now at this moment, there are so many platforms are available on
Yes.
Play
yes.
Store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Yes. You can, whatever. You want to do it online, you want to do it offline. It's
Yeah.
up to you.
Yes.
Do you read the newspaper. Like I used to read the editorial section.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then in that, what you can also do is make a summary.
Yeah. Summary.
Okay. Take one article.
Hmm.
Try to summarize what you are reading in 5 to 10 sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that time you will actually read and you will comprehend. You will start thinking like, what is he saying? Then you will try to make your own sentences.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you will start seeing. So all these things have their own role to play. Reading, writing, okay?
Yes.
Speaking. The more you will practice this language, the more it will help.
Yeah. Practice is key for success.
Yes. And I think that's always lacking in our education system. We don't rely on practicality. Our education system is all about rote learning. That's the main problem.
Yeah. I am also working in education sector, so I have so many knowledges, and how.
Okay.
Yeah. So definitely it would be better for my future.
Yes. So the more practical you will be with this language, so it's a language which will only help, will come with practice, nothing else.
Yeah. So actually now at this moment English is really one of the biggest and highlight language in our India. So definitely we must have knowledge this language.
So it's not a language anymore. It's almost become like a skill.
Yes, it's skill. Yeah.
It's a skill which all of us need to possess.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, India is also becoming more of a global, it's also a global language. So if you're trying to do something international.